Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can easily use the OTG USB on the go for USB drives on your INFINIX Hot 60i. So actually on newer, latest Android devices, we don't really need to enable OTG by ourselves. Of course, there is no such possibility to disable it. Of course, after rooting your phone, there is a possibility. But if you didn't root your phone, we have OTG always enabled. So the only thing we have to do is that we have to remove our case, take it off. Now this is our INFINIX, and take our USB drive. This is the adapter from micro SD to USB Type-C. Let me plug it in. And if your micro SD card, if your USB drive is formatted to the format FAT32 or exFAT, it will work. As you can see, mine is working. USB drive for storing photos, videos, music. If you tap it, you can open with File Manager, Files, or Files by Google. I will open it, for example, in the File Manager System application, and we do have OTG, and yet we don't have to do anything. It's just basically enabled, as you can see. If you open settings, you can see just show hidden files, etc., etc. And as you can see, to find it manually without opening it from the notification bar, we can just go to the File Manager, here browse, and you can see my phone OTG, tap allow, and it's here. And actually that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.